Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming. So today's video is not a hair video, it's not anything about hair. Today's video is about food. Okay, it is about food. So I've been craving banana cake for a while, and I decided to check up a few recipes on YouTube and add my own touch to it and see how well I'm going to do. So come with me, let's prepare banana cake, or banana bread as some people will call it, and let's see how it goes. Okay, for ingredients, I'm going to use baking soda, baking powder, vegetable oil, milk, essence, vanilla essence. I'm going to use an egg, I'm going to use sugar, I'm going to use oatmeal, flour, and of course my bananas. And I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box just in case you want to make some. So first I'll peel off my banana into my bowl, and I'll go ahead to mash my bananas. From here, I'm going to add my vegetable oil to my bananas, and I'll mix the two ingredients together. Then I'll add my sugar. The sugar is 2 tablespoons of sugar because I don't like too much sugar in my meals. I'll go ahead to add my milk. This was a mixture of almond milk and normal full cream milk. Okay, I took about 2 tablespoons each of the milk. Then I'll go ahead and add my egg and mix all my ingredients together. So next I'm going to add my vanilla essence to it to give my cake the vanilla flavor that I want. You can use any essence of your choice, whether pineapple, strawberry, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to add my baking powder, baking soda to my all-purpose flour, mix all of them together and sift it gently, a little bit at a time, into my mixture. I'll go ahead and mix the flour with the wet ingredients until I get my desired consistency. Lastly, I'll add my oatmeal to it, mix everything thoroughly before I transfer it into my baking pan. So here's my baking pan. I've already greased it with oil. I'm going to transfer my mixture into it and get it straight into the oven. So I preheated my oven for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to put my mixture into the oven right away. So my cake has been baking for about 30 minutes and it's ready now. I already did the test by putting a stick into it to make sure that it comes out clean. You can see that the edges of my cake is very bent, but don't mind the part that is bent. Okay, it's the taste that matters. So now I'm going to cut my cake, and it's very difficult because I'm holding my phone with one hand and trying to cut with another. And because the sides are bent, what do you expect? But that is my cake, looking very fluffy and soft and very tasty. Okay, I haven't tasted it yet, so why am I saying very tasty? But very soft and fluffy. Okay guys, so it's time for tasting. So I'm going to taste and then I'll give you a review of how well I did or how bad I did. Okay, so this is the cake. It tastes so good, guys. Like, you really want to be here to taste my cake. Okay, it tastes very nice. Try it at home and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, it's bye.